Okay, welcome back, guys. This is IPT, and you are watching Inapis Traders. Okay, if you are constant with my or conversant with my page or with my channel, you will know that last week I posted a video of my profit of this trade from here to here. I posted it. If you check my previous post, you will see it. And I said that after I will make a video to show us what I did or to explain both my psychology and the reason why I take the trade. So that is what I'm here to do. So we have been expecting even USD to sell. We have been targeting this zone, this other zone from here to here. When this market was here, we are targeting the market to come here, but all this happened. So during the CPI, this happened. So, and the market was when before I took the trade, if you check, this zone was not here. This zone was not here. So let me remove it. So I want to give us what I was thinking. This zone was not here. Even this one was not here. So this is what I was seeing just from here to here. So after the CPI, all this happened. So when the market was doing this, so I was saying to myself that even if this market we buy, that it will not just continue from here and just buy. I was even expecting it to come here. So I was like, okay, no, I started anticipating it from here, that even if this market is going to buy, it's supposed to test this zone, kind of pull back, then and continue to buy. That is if the market decide to continue to buy. So that was what I was hoping here. But after this, I did not have a strong conviction to enter here, because I wanted to enter with this candle. If you pay attention to this, I wanted to enter with this candle, but I'm not okay how the candle closed. I said, okay, let me wait for this. This one did not give me any convincing reason to enter. So I did not enter, I did not do anything here. Even this candle then confirmed that nothing is happening here. So I waited for all this. I think this happened on Friday, yes, and this was the next week. I think, yes, here was Monday. So when I was seeing this, seeing that the market is not making any, the candles are not okay, like they are small, they don't have any much impact. You can see it's kind of forming small hammer. Then I was like, I believe that this market is going to reverse. Meanwhile, I was expecting this market to come here, because I was hoping that if the market should reverse, it's going to come to this zone. Then if it show any sign of bullish, then it continue to buy. So when I saw this candle here, when I saw this particular candle here, let me zoom it. When I saw this candle here, which is after this, so when all these things started happening, I was then hoping for any bearish candle. So when I saw this candle here and this, so I entered with this. So I entered, and my stop loss was here or somewhere here. I can't remember now. My stop loss was somewhere here. Then my entry was, I think it's with this candle or this candle, but my entry, because if you check my previous video, you will see it. My entry was here. So I was hoping for the market to come here. This is what I was hoping for, the market. So my stop loss was here, my take profit was here. I was hoping to hold this trade for maybe 2 or 3 days or thereabout. Yeah, I had for 2 days, yes, because this happened on Wednesday. Why? Okay, just a day. Let me say a day, because I entered this market on Tuesday and closed it on Wednesday. So meanwhile, I was hoping to hold this market from here. My stop loss was here. My take profit was here, sorry, and my stop loss was here. So I was hoping to hold the market from here. So when after all this thing happened, I posted it on my status. I posted, if you check my previous video, I posted it when I was negative, when I entered profits, when the thing went back to negative. So I was holding all this. I was in this trade, all this were happening. So even when this happened, I was here. So I kind of set and forget. So I forgot it. I just face my other stuffs I was doing. So I was holding this market until, so that was when I put this zone. So after I entered the trade, I put this zone, and this other zone was when this started happening, before this pullback here. When this started happening, this sign, if you go to 15 minutes, you will see it. When all these, the candles that are not showing me sign of, that the market will continue, then I was like, I wasn't paying attention to all this. So I was like, what is happening? I was thinking, will this market continue to sell? Will this market continue to go down? So I decided to plot some zones to see what is happening. I decided to check. So by the time I pay attention to this, one thing about trading is your perspicacity will be, you have to be very attentive. So I decide to pay attention to this, and then I drew this, I put this here. So when I put this here, I noticed that this can be a reasonable zone, that I should not neglect it because of all this that happened here. So I decided to close this thread. If you check my post also, when I wanted to close it, I said that I'm closing now. So at the initial point, I wanted to break even so that I will hold the market to come here. But being that in that thread, I opened two positions, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, which is 0.20, and from here to here with 0.10, I think I was making about one something in profit. I mean, $100 and something in profit. So the money was kind of reasonable for me. So, and again, my confidence wasn't there again that the market is going to come here. Why? It's because of this thing that I see here. I was like, it's better I close this market. Even if this market should continue, maybe if it passed this, then I will know if I should enter again. If I had entered again, my stop loss may be somewhere here. So by the time I close this, and as God may have it, on that Tuesday, this market closed by this. I was like, this market is not going to pass here. So on Wednesday, this happened on Wednesday, that same Wednesday, then on Thursday, all this happened. So as of today, this is what is happening. The market is kind of very here. So this is what is happening now as of today. So this is what is happening at the moment. So what am I seeing now? You see this, I think it's evening star. This is kind of evening star. So if I'm to, but being that the time now is 8:40. This time here is 1 hour ahead of the current time in Dakar, Senegal. I think this is Nigeria time. So the time here now is 8:40. So I don't want to enter any trade now, being that it's late. So I have to wait for any decision I will make will be doing. As you can see the time now, this is New York session. London has closed. This is New York and Sydney that is open. So I don't want to enter the trade now. I have to wait for the next day. If New York opens the next day, that should be by this time, by 2 or 1, by 2 or 3. If New York opens, so I will then come here to check what is happening. If assuming New York open, and this is what I'm still seeing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell. My stop loss will be here. I will give it enough room to breathe. My stop loss will be here, and my take profit, I will also target this zone. My take profit will be here. If I'm able to, I think here is okay. So if by tomorrow, if this candle is still bearish, maybe it closes here, then I'm going to sell this market. I will hold it up to this joint. So this is what I have at the moment. So let me check daily time frame. Let me check the daily time frame. Okay, this is it in the daily time frame. Right. So this is it now in the daily time frame. If this market should break, if this candle should close below this, then you know that this will be kind of double top. I will hold it till here, then it may come here. But if this market should close as a bearish candle, then you know that the market is coming up. You know that the market is going up. Yeah, so you know that now it's coming here. But if it goes as a bearish candle, although this is a seeing this now, I'm seeing a bearish sign in this euro USD. But for the moment, it may, market cannot just come and go up at once. The market may just pull back a little bit and continue to go up. But for the meantime, I'm not going to make any decision. I have to wait for this candle to close for me to know what to do. So that is it. If once this candle goes, I will know my decision. It's either to buy and it's coming here, or maybe I will target this other zone here, which is here. If this candle should close as a bearish, I'm targeting this. As a bullish, I'm targeting this. If it closes as a bearish, I'm targeting this. So that is it for euro USD. So this is USD JPY. So if you want me to do analysis in USD JPY, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much, guys. That is it for euro USD. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, try and do so. If you have, like the video and share it to some traders, and let's share our knowledge. If my analysis, if it's what you are thinking, let me know in the comment section. But if you have another perspective, if you don't think that what I said is what may happen, market is all about probability. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much and stay blessed.